Hello students, today we will discuss muscle of flexor compartment of forearm. Okay, so muscle of flexor compartment of forearm are arranged in two planes, superficial and deep plane. In superficial plane 5 muscles are present, in deep plane 3 muscles are present. First we will see the muscle of superficial plane of flexor compartment of forearm. So we start from the lateral to medial. We always move from lateral to medial. It is easy to remember. So lateral side, the lateral most is pronator teres. You can see this is the pronator teres. Pronator teres, insertion of pronator teres is on the mid of the radius. So this is pronator teres. And one more thing, median nerve always pierces the pronator teres muscle. See, pronator teres present between the two head of pronator teres. This is the median nerve. This is pronator teres. So lateral most pronator teres, then flexor carpi radialis. Flexor carpi radialis. After this, you can see this small muscle, large muscle, but thin caliber palmaris longus. See, palmaris longus. Then flexor carpi ulnaris. These all 4 muscles are present in one plane. Okay, just lifting the palmaris longus, tendon toot gaya. Just lifting the palmaris longus, you can see flexor distorum superficialis. This is the flexor distorum superficialis. Okay, just lateral to this you can appreciate the median nerve. This is median nerve. See, just lateral to this you can see median nerve, and you can appreciate artery. This is the radial artery. See, along with vena comitans, this is radial artery. Okay, this is flexor distorum superficialis. I again repeat, from lateral to medial, pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor distorum superficialis, then flexor carpi ulnaris. Total 5 muscles are present in superficial compartment of forearm. Then we move on the deep compartment. See, deep compartment, you can see this is the flexor lateral side, flexor pollicis longus. This is flexor pollicis longus, and this is the flexor distorum profundus. You can appreciate the tendon of this flexor distorum profundus. See, this is the these are the tendon of flexor distorum profundus. Just retracting these two muscles, you can see below this quadrate shaped muscle, that is the pronator quadratus. See, pronator quadratus. Total 3 muscles in the deep compartment: flexor pollicis longus, flexor distorum profundus, and pronator quadratus. Okay, this is the pronator quadratus muscle. And you can see here also appreciate ulnar artery and ulnar nerve. Ulnar artery along with vena comitans and the ulnar nerve. I again repeat one time. You can see pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor distorum superficialis, and this is flexor carpi ulnaris. 5 muscle in superficial compartment, then deep flexor pollicis longus, flexor distorum profundus, below this pronator quadratus. Okay, pronator quadratus.